channel. My name is Metro Nicole and I make lifestyle and cleaning content here on YouTube. In today's Vlogmas, I'm going to be just cleaning up my home. I'm not going anywhere today. I'm staying put. So I'm just gonna get my clothes together, get my bed straightened up, and I gotta get downstairs, the kitchen. I think I'm gonna go ahead and mop. I do need to clean my bathroom, and I'm probably gonna go ahead and clean the downstairs bathroom because I do have to work this weekend. So I wanna get everything done today since I'm off. And then later tonight, my niece is having a band concert, so I'll be getting dressed and heading to that. But today is gonna be another homebody day. I didn't do anything yesterday. I stayed home all day yesterday. I kind of need some rest. I was like really tired. But for dinner tonight, I did cook tacos yesterday, so we still have some stuff left over, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and still take some chicken out for tonight, only because again I have to work this weekend. I do 9 out of 10 times I do not like to cook if I have to work. But yeah, so that's how the today is gonna roll. So if that's something you're interested in, stay tuned. Starting to already prepare for 2025. So the new book that I'm going to be reading, or my goal is to really get through one whole book in 1 month. So I purchased this one. It's the Awe of God, The Astounding Way a Healthy Fear of God Transforms Your Life. So I'm going to be reading this in the month of January, because also in January I'm going to be doing a no spend month, and there's some other things that I want to work on. But yeah, so my goals is to get through one entire book in 1 month. I really want to set that goal for myself. So I went ahead and purchased this, and it's a couple of 2 other devotionals I'm thinking about picking up as well. I'll probably purchase that towards the end of December, and if I do, I'll go ahead and let you guys know that as well. Looks like I might have messed up my cord. This is why I need to unplug stuff. I may need to get some pliers. So the bedroom is done for now. When I get back, I'm going to vacuum, and then I think I need to dust the fans too, but I'm gonna definitely vacuum the loft and vacuum the upstairs, and then everything else. All right, I'll see you when I get back. empty this before I start vacuuming again. Alright, this is, I don't know if y'all can see that. This is how much it picked up. So now what I'm getting ready to do, I'm pretty much done with downstairs. The one last thing I need to do is mop the kitchen, but I'm getting ready to do a workout. I'm gonna do my walking pad for an hour, and then upstairs, the only thing I need to finish is vacuuming my room, vacuuming the hallway, the loft, and then I want to go ahead and fold up my clothes today. And then after that, I'm gonna probably make some TikToks or reels and then do some editing, and that'll be it for the day. So hopefully everything, I have some time before I have to get my girls, because I do plan on cooking. I'm gonna try to cook before I get them. I put out some chicken. I'll probably do another salad, then some rice, and probably still another veggie like some green beans or something, because I did get some fresh broccoli and green beans, so we'll see. All right, so I'll come back in a little bit. All right. So I'm officially done. I don't know if y'all can see all of that. The only thing I really want to get done today is to clean my bathroom, but I want to try to record some on my phone. So I'm gonna let my phone charge up. I'm gonna get some other like small stuff done, and then I'll come back when I'm ready to clean my bathroom. Or if this video is too long, I may do a separate video for the bathroom, because I don't know if I'm going to do a deep clean or a quick clean. We'll see. But if I end the video here, I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in today's video. But I'm going to start working on doing some more shorts. So if you don't like the longer content, just definitely subscribe and check out the shorts. I'm gonna try to do better at getting more creative with those, because those are definitely fun for me to do. But yeah, so I think that's it. I feel, oh, I need to do my laundry. I think while my phone is while my phone is charging, I'm gonna finish up the laundry for sure, because I don't want to have to worry about that this weekend. All right, I'll see you guys next time. Talk to you later. Bye.